Hey guys, Frisian here, just with a quick video. We got this 2005 Monte Carlo with the famous 3.4 that a lot of Chevrolet cars had during the early 2000s. Impala, Monte Carlo, several other vehicles had the same engine. Just quickly, super simple alternator replacement. Okay, you're gonna have the separator belts here. You're gonna have a 13 up here for the power, okay, and then you're gonna have a 15 right there on the side, and on the back you're gonna have a 15 here and another 15 back here. Okay, so just for visuals, you have a 15 on the side, 115 at the back, and the second 15 on the back. Okay, and the cable for it, the harness connector. Okay, so 13, 15, 15, and 15. Cool. All right, let me take this out. Oh, and the separator belt, of course, you're gonna have the tensioner right there. Just put it in your 3/8 ratchet in there, and then just move the tensioner and remove the belt. So there it is, guys. Super simple. Takes, I don't know, 10-15 minutes at most. So remove your tensioner. You have the remove your serpentine belt. Your tensioner is a 3/8 size. Okay, take out the belt, and then you're gonna take out the coolant reservoir. Just move it to the side. You don't have to disconnect the hose that's on the side. And then you're gonna remove the 15 that's here, another 15 that's back here, and another 15 that's back here, and the power cable is a 13. That's it. Okay, there you go. So if you got any questions, just like and subscribe, and just comment below, and I'll get you those answers. All right, see you in the next one.